those of the Nishu to complete certain work. If they work done together, they finish it in 4 days, then how many days could it take to would it take to complete the work if they work alone, right? So they work alone get identify. So first one हम simplest form में करेंगे. Let's see. So first one, let Nishu take the x days to complete the work alone, and after that total work alone is there, right? For the 1 day get find out use of the 1 upon x, and same as it is Pintu takes x plus 6 days to complete the work alone. So this one also use of the 1 day is equal to 1 upon x plus 6. But both the total work done by in 1 day is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6. Now second statement is that both take 4 days to complete the work together. Now total work done by both in 1 day is equal to 1 upon 4. Both the work total, right? Total work both that, right? 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon x plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. Then after do cross multiplication and 1 upon 4 write as it is. X plus 6 then plus x and upon x. X plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. नेक्स्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. क्या आ जाएंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे 4x 4 2x plus 6 and 1 get multiply x square plus 6x. After get multiply each of the term same as it is. Now change the position. I will change that, this one and this one. Then this also write after is equal to before is equal to 0, then x square minus 2x, then minus 24 is equal to 0. Then after first term and last term take coefficient number, then do cross check that which table are coming. But now next one, x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then after use of after is equal to x is equal to positive 6, x is equal to minus 4. But the number of the days cannot be negative, right? Is not acceptable. Then Nishu complete the work in 6 days and Pintu complete the work. X plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 6 now is equal to 12 days. So Nishu complete the work in 6 days and Pintu in 12 days if they work alone. So very easy question is there. Now you want to screenshot, so take it. बहुत सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है. जय हिंद दोस्तों.